Hello and welcome. Today, we will learn beginner English conversations for everyday life. Please listen carefully and repeat each sentence with me. We will speak very slowly so you can understand every word. There will be a fun quiz to help you remember what we have learned. If you enjoy this lesson, please like this video and subscribe for more slow English lessons. Now, let's begin. I am sleeping. I am sleeping.
My alarm is ringing. My alarm is ringing.
I wake up. I wake up. I stretch my body. I stretch my body. I feel good today. I feel good today. I make my bed. I make my bed. I walk to the bathroom. I walk to the bathroom. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I rinse my mouth. I rinse my mouth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I dry my face. I dry my face. I take a shower. I take a shower. I wash my hair. I wash my hair. I dry my hair. I dry my hair. I choose my clothes. I choose my clothes. I get dressed. I get dressed. I am ready. I am ready.
This is a quick quiz. Let's review what we learned. Choose the correct answer. Good luck.
I am sleeping. I am sleeping. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my hair. I wash my hair. I rinse my mouth. I rinse my mouth. I make my bed. I make my bed.
That's the end of the quiz. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more of these beginner English learning videos.